morning, Merry Vlogmas. I can't believe it's already the 7th. This is like officially a week that I've been doing Vlogmas, and I am extremely proud of both myself and all of my devices for actually functioning through this week. Fingers crossed they continue for the next like 2-3 weeks. I don't even know. Can you hear that? I don't know what that is, but it keeps happening. Okay, so yeah, it's the 7th. It is Tuesday. That's insane. Okay, anyways, photo wall still is not done because I have no idea where my sticky tack went. Like, absolutely no clue where my sticky tack is. It just like disappeared. I'm thinking it's probably under the couch. I need to vacuum, and I don't feel like sitting on the floor before I vacuum. So yeah. Anyways, I have like a shit ton of stuff to do because this is like crunch week. This is the week to get all of my stuff done so that all I have to do for the rest of the month is study for my exams. I need to figure out when my English exam is because I have no clue. Anyways, notebook. Anyone who's been watching for a while knows that I have my notebook out at least every other like vlog. I haven't touched this in like a week. I don't even know half of the lists that are in here because I never complete the lists that are in here, or at least I don't like check things off. I don't know. Anyways, okay. What day is it? December 7th. I literally just woke up. Please don't judge. 7/2021 and going forward. To-do list. I have a bunch of stuff that I have to do for school. First thing is complete my business assignment presentation video thingy because we present it tomorrow. And then I have my English paper that I need to have written and corrected for Friday. I have to write a story, and my original story, I just cannot get myself to sit down and like continue writing it. So instead, I'm reworking an old story, and I haven't been able to get myself to sit down and write that either. So that's been fun. Then I have my painting, which I'm hoping to finish either today or tomorrow. My final painting. And I'm very upset with myself because normally when I have a painting, I like film the entire process, but I didn't film this process, and I'm pretty sure this is one of my best paintings. So I'm very upset with myself. Anyways, I'm going to finish this list because otherwise this is gonna be like a 5-minute intro. Yeah. Okay, I have my to-do list. I have it separated into 3 categories. That is academic, personal, and then professional. Professional being like YouTube and my art, all my socials, trying to build my like portfolio, stuff like that. It's a weird order considering I'm not able to focus on my academic stuff until my personal stuff is done, and I can't focus on any of my professional stuff until my academic stuff is done. So it really should be professional, academic, and then professional. Wait, personal, academic, then professional. There we go. Okay, first thing on the list for personal: vacuum, laundry, dishes, dinner. Dinner I'm gonna do later. Yeah, dinner is on my list because I don't eat. As I mentioned a few vlogs ago, I'm terrified of my oven. It gives me like severe anxiety just to turn my oven on. And lately I haven't even been able to cook on the stovetop because there was a bit of an incident. So yeah, I need to cook food because I realized yesterday when I put on jeans for the first time in like 3 days that I've lost a little bit of weight, and it's not from working out or walking. I think I've literally lost like almost 10 pounds purely because I haven't eaten anything but fruit in a bowl in like 4 days, 5 days possibly. So yeah, I need to cook some food. And then academic is first on the list, my business video, because that is being presented tomorrow. Then my English long story. The reason I made like the whole to-do list is because I need to write my story, but for some reason my brain will not let me write until all my other important stuff is done, because my brain associates writing with being a professional thing. And my professional stuff can't be done until my personal and academic stuff is done. I love the way my brain works. Number 3 is to finish my painting. I don't know if I'll be able to do that today simply because I don't feel like walking to campus today. And then art history final exam. I've already been given the exam. I just need to take it, like do it, because it's a take home like written exam. So that will probably only take me a few hours, but I'm gonna wait until my English long story is done because my English is due first, my art history is due next week. Anyways, and then once all that is done, I'm probably gonna go to the professional stuff, but I do still have my English notes that I need to take, and then my business notes that I need to go over for my English and business exam, which are also not like next week, but I think the week after. Business is on the 22nd. I don't know when the English exam is. And then professional, which is a few, I'm doing Artmas. I just realized I haven't even been opening my Artmas calendar, like advent calendar in these vlogs, but yeah, I'm doing Artmas, but because of classes and stuff, I've been pre-filming all of the Artmas and then like uploading them on the day. So I have 8 to 25 that I need to do because I've fallen a little bit behind. Then I have my portfolio website that I need to add all my photography and some photos of my art onto. Then I have some painting videos I want to do because my mom sent me some photographs that she wants me to make into paintings for her. And yeah, that is my to-do list. Not for today. Well, most of it's gonna be for today. Not all of it. I'm gonna clean my entire apartment today, which is normally a Sunday thing, but for some reason I kind of skipped that. And then I'm gonna do the video, and then I'm gonna try and sit on my ass and write a story. This has been really freaking long. I'm so sorry. I was gonna do like a before and after of everything being clean, but I just like have no, I don't know, I just don't want to clean. I did just water my plant and I noticed that it is starting to come back a little bit. This little guy is like growing out. There's another one over here that's coming out. Some of these guys are like a lot greener than they were yesterday. I don't know. My cute little baby. It's finally come back to life. I did clean my room. And I vacuumed and I emptied out the dryer, and I just remembered I have clothes in the washer. Now I gotta do dishes, and I gotta do my business video thingy now, because otherwise I'm not going to get it done. I'm just not in a working mood. I kind of just want to go paint, but I know that I can't paint until I get like actual stuff done. Okay, last time I'm going to complain about this, I swear. First of all, I got banana. This is my last banana, which is sad, but it was starting to go bad. Anyways, okay, last time I'm complaining about this because it will be over tomorrow. It's a group of 6 of us, including me, for this project. 6 of us. And absolutely nobody pointed out the fact that the person they were all saying was the founder of the company is the current acting president, not the founder. They completely just erased the second founder from even like existing in our entire text. And I didn't catch it until I was listening to the recordings for the project because I have to put together the video. And I heard them say that guy's name instead of the actual founder. And now the entire text, like our entire report, as well as the presentation, needs to be changed for this one name. I literally mentioned in every single correction of the report that I did before we like got our final copy, the names of the founders and the name of the president. And freaking nobody saw this or corrected it. And yes, I know I could have corrected it, but that wasn't my job. Like, I went through, I read the text, I pointed out all the corrections that needed to be made, and then I left that up to whoever wrote that section of the text because that was their job. Oh my God. Like, just how does this happen? I don't even understand. There's freaking 6 of us. Okay. I'm gonna eat my banana, wait for the new recordings, and then finish the freaking video.